my name is Reem, and I'm going to talk about my otoplasty surgery, which is also ear surgery. Ever since I was little, I've always gotten bullied for it, and it was such a big insecurity of mine. I would hate looking at the mirror, and it would just make me so sad. My father knew how much I hated my ears, and fast forward, I was 16 years old, and I was just sitting in language arts class, and my dad surprised me with a text, and it read, "I just found you one of the top doctors to do your ear surgery." And at the time, I just started bawling my eyes out because number one, I didn't think that it would be possible for me to even do it or find a doctor, let alone. So I was so grateful for that. So once I saw that text, we immediately went into our appointment and I met him, and he was so sweet. I walked into the office and the staff was so sweet. Like, it was just so warm and welcoming here, and it made me feel so happy. Like, this is all I've ever dreamed about when I was little. So I was filled with so much emotion and happiness. I wasn't nervous at all because this is exactly what I've always dreamt of, like I just said. So when I sat with Dr. Robinson, he listened to everything. He knew how passionate I was into getting the surgery and how much I wanted it. And he listened to my concerns. He knew how protruding they were out, and I literally was like, please just pin them back as much as you can. And he honestly said no, and that was because that would be so unnatural. And that's something that I appreciate now that he said that, because he would tell you no, and I really appreciate that because he's so honest with you. He wants natural results, and that's exactly what I wanted too. So when it came down to surgery day, I wasn't nervous at all. I was so excited because I knew I was in the best hands possible. He made me feel so safe going into the surgery, and it took like 2 hours, I think. It was so quick. And I got out and I was so happy, and the healing was so minimal. It only took just a couple weeks to a month just so all the swelling can go down. It's such an easy recovery. It's one of the easiest, I would say. And I was so confident. Like, the day I came out of surgery, I knew like my life changed literally forever. This is something that made me so happy, and I'm so forever grateful for him. For my follow-up appointments, the staff took such good care of me. They made sure that I loved it every step of the way, and I did because it was so natural. And Dr. Robinson reassured me how beautiful I always looked and felt, and I truly did feel that way. I am so much more confident now. I love the way I look. Before, I would hate looking at myself in the mirror. I literally, prior to the surgery, would take 2 hairs here, pin them back, tie it, and I would be in pain all day just to pin my ears back. And now I just walk out like this, and I love it so much. And I thank Dr. Robinson every single day for changing my life. This is such a life-changing surgery, and I would recommend it to anybody feeling that way, or anybody insecure about anything or doesn't like anything on your face. I would definitely recommend Dr. Robinson because he will 100% take such good care of you.